Hello guys, today I'll be looking on how to research the library catalog. The catalog is a large index containing records of all the books, e-books, e-journals, films and music in the library's collection. To find this, you should conduct a search. In order for you to be able to search, you first need to go to the university's homepage. That means you have to physically type in africau.edu and then press on search. To search on the catalog, you click on the webpack on the Africa University homepage. This displays the Giacomo Yamada Library webpack homepage. To see more search options, click on Library Catalog on the basic library search box. On the drop-down menu, select the desired search criteria. In this instance, we're going to be using subjects. So now we are going to be conducting a subject search, and we are going to type in psychology since it's the subject that we want to look at today. And then you click on go. The catalog displays a list of items pertaining to psychology. By clicking on the title, in this instance, we're going to be clicking on the title, Research Methods in Psychology. A full catalog record will appear. This record lists the item's title, author, publisher, ISBN, physical description information, and the subjects. When you want to access a physical item, however, there are a couple of information pieces you need to take note of before you look for it in the library. First, take note of the location. Most books in the library are found on main library general collection, but however, some may be found on reference collection or reserve section. You typically find films and music in the audiovisual collection. Secondly, write down the code number. The code number tells you where the item is located in the collections. Items are organized by code numbers so that materials on a similar topic are grouped together. Lastly, check the item status to ensure that it's available in the library. If the item is checked out by another patron, the status indicates that it's checked out and shows the date and time it is due. To return to your catalog homepage to do another search, click on Home. Okay, friends, if you have challenges in finding an item in the library, you should ask the library staff for assistance. And on how to select and search library database, please see the next video.